Good morning, my dear student. I am Bhupen Deshmukh, work as an assistant professor in Kekewa College of Engineering, Nasik. Today I want to share very small topic that is AC to DC converter. It is related to unit 3rd. This is my content. Introduction of AC to DC converter. Such AC to DC converter is called as rectifier. Already this term is discussed in chopper circuits. Types of phase control converter, single phase converter, applications of AC to DC converters. Our learning objective is, after going through this video or online lecture, you will be able to understand about basic introduction about AC to DC converter, or we can say rectifier, general classifications of AC to DC converter. Here is not OD, exactly it is a typing mistake. OF, basic operating principle of converter and their applications, where to use AC to DC converters. Introductions of AC to DC converter. In general, we know that in electrical domain, two types of supply is available. One is AC supply and second one is DC supply. If this AC supply is converted into DC supply with the help of converter, that device is called as a rectifier, or we can say AC to DC converter. Basically, any types of AC to DC converter is called as a rectifier, as shown in figure A. AC to DC converter classifications. We know that AC supply converted into DC supply is called as rectifier, and as well as AC to DC converter. These AC to DC converter based on the phase control converter are two types: single phase control converter and three phase control converter. These single phase converter are three types: semi converter and fully converter and dual converters. Similarly, these three phase converter are three types: one is semi converter, full converter and dual converter. The meaning is of semi converter is one quadrant converter and it has one polarities. Full converter, it means two quadrant converters and it has either positive or negative polarity of voltage, but current has only one polarity. Dual converter, it means four quadrant converter and it has voltage and current either positive or negative polarity. It means in case of dual converter, voltage and as well as current has positive and as well as negative polarity depending on the circuit diagram of dual converter circuits. Further classifications of AC to DC converter, that is rectifier, based on the quadrant operation. AC to DC converter are three types: single quadrant, two quadrant and four quadrant. Based on the supply, AC to DC converter, single phase converter and three phase converter. Based on the connection diagram, AC to DC converter are two types: bridge type AC to DC converter, center tape type AC to DC converter. Based on the controlled techniques, AC to DC converter are two types: controlled AC DC converter and uncontrolled AC DC converter. Based on number of pulses, AC to DC converter are four types: single pulse AC to DC converter, two pulse AC to DC converter and three pulse AC to DC converter, and last one is six pulse AC to DC converters. After the classifications of AC to DC converters, now classifications of AC to DC converter with the load. Basically, single phase or either three phase AC to DC converter are half wave converter. This half wave, single phase or three phase AC to DC converter are controlled or uncontrolled. If you are considering uncontrolled with R load or RL load, if you are considering control with R load, RL load and RLE load, and as well as sometimes we are using freewheeling diodes. If you are considering freewheeling diodes with the R or RL or RLE load, we can say with freewheeling diode. If you are not considering freewheeling diode, such conditions we can say without freewheeling diode converter circuits. Similarly, single phase and three phase converters are full wave types of converters. In this full wave converter also we are using controlled and uncontrolled circuits, and uncontrolled circuits we can use R load and RL load, and controlled circuit we can use R load, RLE load and RL load. This load is also connected with freewheeling diode and without freewheeling diode. If you are connecting freewheeling diode, it is called with freewheeling diode circuit, or if you are connecting without freewheeling diode, circuit is called without freewheeling diode circuits. Single phase half control rectifier. Here we will discuss about the basic working principle of AC to DC conversion, or we can say how to convert AC supply into DC supply with the help of half wave control rectifier. We know that AC supply, it means its change magnitude and as well as direction with respect to time is called AC supply. This supply, this waveform is represented as a input waveform, and this is represented as a input AC supply. This input AC supply, and this V0 is represented as a output voltage V0 across the registry load. Between the input supply and output voltage V0, we are connecting one switch that is called any types of semiconductor switches or thyristor. If you are connecting this switch between the AC supply and output voltage, when we are connecting when this switch is on state at alpha degree firing angle, then we are getting the output voltage is this amount. If this switch is off conditions, then no current will flow from source to load end, then we are getting zero output voltage to this point. So this waveform is represented as a output voltage, and this output voltage is one directions, and we know that one direction, it means this is considered as a DC supply, and such a manner we can say that this input supply is converted into DC supply. This is the basic working principle operation of AC to DC converter. Here I am trying to explain the working principle of AC to DC converter with the help of half control rectifier. The average output voltage can be obtained or calculated by the output voltage waveform of V0. Then the average output voltage VA is equals to 1 upon 2 pi integration of 0 to pi in under root 2 into Vi sine omega t into d omega t. After solving this equation, we get the average output voltage of half wave controlled rectifier is Vi upon 2 in bracket 1 plus cos alpha. Applications of AC to DC converter: DC welding, DC motor drive, battery charging, DC power supply, HVDC transmission system, DC traction, electrochemical process, and etc. Thank you. If you have any doubt related to AC to DC converter, please contact on my email address, and as well as please share and subscribe my YouTube channel. Thank you.